CapCut is now inside ChatGPT. Did you know you can now create custom videos inside ChatGPT? That's right. CapCut is now integrated into ChatGPT, making video creation easier than ever. Let me show you exactly how it works. To get started, head over to chat.openai.com and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Explore GPTs. This will open the GPT store, where you'll find a wide variety of AI-powered tools. To find CapCut, simply type CapCut into the search bar. Make sure you select CapCut Video GPT, which is the official version by CapCut. There may be other third-party options, but for the best experience, it's recommended to use the official tool. Once you've selected CapCut GPT, click Start Chat, and you'll see several preset options, such as generate a video about the Olympic Games, make a poster for the new year, or create a YouTube video about specialty coffee. However, you can also enter your own custom request. For instance, you could type, create a 2-minute promotional video for a new smartphone launch, or generate a short documentary-style video about space exploration. CapCut will then generate a video overview and script tailored to your request. In some cases, the video result link may not work. If this happens, simply type, the link did not work, and ChatGPT will generate a new one for you. Once you have a working link, click on it to open your project in CapCut. It may take a couple of minutes to load, but once it's ready, you'll see the full script, subtitles, background music, and voiceover already included. If images or B-roll clips are missing, you can manually add them by dragging and dropping media into the editor before exporting your final video. While CapCut GPT is still being refined, it has the potential to be a game changer for content creators. If you're already using ChatGPT for content development, this tool can help you streamline your workflow by generating videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you're repurposing content, brainstorming video ideas, or just experimenting with AI-powered video creation, this integration could save you valuable time. What do you think? Does this new feature make video creation easier for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about AI-powered tools, check out my tutorial on using Canva inside ChatGPT. Just click on the link. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.